What's behind this latest resignation?
Well, the resignation by Berat Albayrak, who, of course, since 2018 has been Turkey's finance and treasury minister, and, of course, President Erdogan's son-in-law, came some 36 hours after President Erdogan fired the former central bank governor Murat Uysal. Now, this news was absolutely shocking. It happened by a message on his verified Instagram saying that he is resigning, citing health reasons, and he wants to spend more time with his family. But of course, chaos continued because there was a lot of questions whether this message was actually correct or whether his account had been hacked. Of course, as you just mentioned, this also comes at a time where Turkey is facing absolute economic turmoil. But the question remains, will President Erdogan actually accept his resignation?
Simin, good to see you this morning. So what's the reason behind Erdogan's move to fire the central bank governor? And I suppose the question for markets is the qualification of his successor.
So this is the second central bank governor that President Erdogan has fired in the last 16 months. Of course, when we look at the state of the lira, which is in absolute freefall, it's no surprise why President Erdogan would be unhappy. The central bank had been raising rates, but it wasn't stabilizing the lira at all. The lira is the worst performer in emerging market currencies so far this year, depreciating some 30% against the dollar. And of course, it's been hitting consecutive record lows against both the dollar and the euro. Now, looking at the new central bank governor, Naci Ağbal, he doesn't have any prior monetary policy experience. However, he's considered to be market-friendly and a technocrat. Of course, he was the former finance minister. He was also part of Turkey's economic A-team with Mehmet Şimşek and Ali Babacan. So investors will most probably welcome this news.
I mean, we're still about 8 days out from the Monetary Policy Committee decision on interest rates in Turkey. What are investors going to be looking for? Maybe a potential move before that?
Absolutely. Now, investors are looking for a decisive rate hike in order to stabilize the lira and rein in Turkey's double-digit inflation. The question is, will Naci Ağbal wait till the November 19th meeting, or will he go one step further and hold an emergency meeting? Now, Goldman Sachs has said it's not important who the new governor is in order to stabilize the lira, but they need a decisive rate hike. Of course, Ağbal will have to convince President Erdogan, who wants rates kept low in order to spur economic growth.